So just a really high level overview of some parts and pieces and kind of what makes at least some of the larger mine sites operate at the power infrastructure level. If this is familiar or not familiar, the big idea is that most of what you got to lay out in a mine site or design, this is a downstream of a 2500 kVA transformer, and this is what the one line might look like. I put this up here because people throw words around. If you need a permit, if you want to have a discussion, if you're talking to an engineer, it shows a distribution panel, a switchboard, it shows some panels. The mining equipment would be downstream. It has some ratings on it. Depending on who you need to talk to or what utility you're working with, they might say, can we have a one-line diagram? If anybody ever noticed, everything's painted gray in electrical equipment. Everything. And if you want to have fun sometime, try to order one that's not gray. Yeah, it's... I put a couple slides in here on equations. Somebody either says, this is how much power I have access to, how many miners can I use, or I can get this size transformer, I can get this size power connection, and you kind of iterate through these things. Power equals current times voltage. If you get that far, it gets a little more interesting in the three-phase world. Funny enough, it's the square root of 3. It's the magic number. It's 1.73. It finds its way into everything. So,